I'm Emily Stoller. I'm the CEO of Glesby Marks, a fleet leasing and management company headquartered out of Houston, but vehicles across the United States and branch offices across the United States. So what we do is exactly as it sounds, we are a fleet leasing company. We work with businesses across the United States to help with their fleet of vehicles, mostly with small to medium-sized businesses. A lot of work trucks, a lot of cargo vans. We do sedans, we do really anything with four wheels, but most of our fleet is made up of work trucks. So we use the vehicles tab the most. Vehicle tab is really important to us because we do leasing. We want our customers to be able to see sort of where they are in the life of the lease, what type of leases they have, if there are residual values, sort of where their fleet stands. Obviously, all of the other ancillary products, maintenance and fuel, are very important to sort of talk about total cost of ownership and health. But the vehicle tab really is the biggest asset to our customers. I think it's the way that you can tell the whole story together by putting all of these different data points together, be it telematics, be it fuel, be it maintenance, and then obviously our leasing. You really can tell, our customer can find out when should we best replace our vehicle? How much is this whole thing costing us? And you get sort of the full picture as opposed to these siloed places. And the fact that you can analyze that data, and our salespeople and our staff can use that data to really have a meaningful conversation with our customer to help best them then run their fleet. That's really what our job is. So. I don't think there is a technology like it, right? So I think first and foremost, I don't think you're going to find anything else like this on the market. Second, I think the talent that Chevin has and the continuing to build it out, to develop it, is critical because the industry is continuing to grow. There are constant changes. And the fact that you have a team whose sole focus is to build this product for fleet, it's invaluable. And so I think being with a product that has that vision makes it sort of unparalleled.